Several of the tools used for site designing have been enhanced in Vectorworks 2012 to increase usability and efficiency. First, let's take a look at the retaining wall site modifier improvements. Now you have the ability to shape the pad at the bottom of the wall. The start and end of retaining walls can be reshaped as well. This was not possible in Vectorworks 2011, which sometimes resulted in unexpected changes to the site model. Now you have total control over each portion of the retaining wall modifier. Next, you'll notice that the changes to the retaining wall site modifiers resulted in this red boundary around the site model. This boundary, just as with viewports, indicates the site model is not current and needs to be updated. This will take the guesswork out of trying to determine if the site model you are viewing is current. We've also added an alert that will prompt you to change the max and min contour elevation fields of your site model if you are trying to perform a modification that falls outside of your current range. Before, there was no indication for why your modification was not seen by the site model, but now you'll know. Last, we've vastly improved the stake tool and stake object. Let's go through these improvements quickly here. First, when activating the stake tool, notice the toolbar has been changed to display stake object specific settings. This first mode in the toolbar will insert stake objects one at a time. The second mode places a series of stakes based on a path from your mouse clicks. This mode gives you the ability to use the floating data bar to set stakes based on the previous stake points. Once placed, these stake objects are not associated in any way and can still be modified individually. The stake objects also have two new marker types, none and filled triangle. Also new to 2012, the markers can be offset and rotated. This next feature was added at your request. The stake labels can now show either X and Y or X, Y, and Z coordinate locations. You can also hide unit marks, add an ID suffix, and specify your label's position. All of these features ensure that you'll be able to display the exact data you need about your site model. These site design improvements will make for more accurate designing and speed up your process at the same time.